Understanding detail in a passage. Details are some parts of paragraph which develop the body of paragraph. You can find details in supporting sentence. If you read a paragraph or a passage, you will find facts, statement, example, which guide us to a full understanding of main idea. Those are called details. They clarify, illuminate, describe, expand, and illustrate the main idea. Understanding the details help us understand the main idea, moreover contents of passage. The way of understanding details in the passage. Facts. Fact is something that you know with certainty. Facts is usually used in statement. Facts are such things as events, characteristic of something, physical observation, and statistic. The numerous facts help you to understand the topic sentence or main idea. Example: Jimmy is the smartest boy in 2011 A class. He is diligent. He always goes to the library for reading some books. He always studies hard every time. In the end of semester, he always gets the good score. The sentence is written in italics show the topic sentence, but the sentences are written in bold show the facts. Examples. An example is something that typical of whole groups. The example helps reader to understand the characteristic of a group. The example makes a general statement about a group. Example: no insect has a voice. All the familiar sounds they make are mechanical, like the sounds coming from the instrument in an orchestra. Certain beetles burrow into wood and making a tapping sound as their hearts strike against the wood. The mosquito hum comes from the vibration of its wings. The sentence is written in italics show the topic sentence, but the sentences are written in bold show the example. Reasons. A reason is a statement that explains or justifies another statement. A reason answers some way plus each question for the readers. In some paragraph, its supporting sentence offers a different reason that explains what is said in the topic sentence. Example: in the Northwest Passage, the sea road that threads its way through the Canadian Arctic. Danger is never far for ships and their crews. The weather alone makes the voyage difficult. Strong winds blow off the polar ice. Navigation by compass is not possible because the magnetic or North Pole lies along the route, and radio communication are often interrupted by Arctic blackouts. The sentence is written in italics show the topic sentence, but the sentences are written in bold show the reasons. Comparison. Comparison is pointing out likeness. It means one thing shown to be like another. In comparison, you sometimes find some words that cause comparison. Prepositions such as some, as, similar to, and like. Example: Tono was killed on the same day as the week as Tony. Correlative conjunction such as both, and, not only, but also, whether, either or, neither or. Example: both Jono and Juno have beautiful girls. Contrast. Contrast is pointing out the difference between extreme extroversion and extreme introversion. You will find some words that show you in contrast. The degrees of comparison such as near than, more than, less than, and as. Example: your house is less near than I supposed. Adverbial such as although, whereas, and while. Example: Rizky came to Ziza's house although it was raining hard. Sentence connectors such as however, on the other hand, and so on. Example: Iwan tends to be aggressive and sometimes lose his temper. However, he seldom behaves in aggressive manner. Statistics. Statistics are legally binding data that uses numbers, percentage, trends, or graph to provide a fact. Fronts. Percentage, ratio 1/5, large number, million, or years. Main function, providing objective evidence that is difficult to refute because it is based on research or scientific calculations. Example: research showed that 33% of teenagers experience sleep disturbance due to cell phone screens. Quotation. Quotation is the exact word taken directly from someone's statement, whether from an interview, book, or speech. It is usually written between double quotation marks. From direct speech from an expert, famous figures, eyewitness, or victim. Main function: borrowing the authority or expertise of another person to support the author's arguments. Example: according to the principal, students' concentration dropped drastically in the first period due to lack of sleep.